I am Tanushree ma'am. Welcome back to Innovative Kids Learning at Home. Good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well, doing great. So kids, in our previous lesson, we learned about so many things like colors, shape, rhymes and so on. I know that you all love to do art and craft, isn't it? So that's why I have brought interesting ideas using thermocol plates and art papers. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's begin. Now, for preparing our crafts, first of all we need thermocol plates, white, black and yellow art papers, gum, sketch pen, scissor, orange and yellow watercolors. Okay? So at first we will start with the fish. Now the second one is the tiger, and the tiger is our national animal. Now let's start. Now the last one is the bat. Do you know kids? Bat is the flying mammals that are active mostly at night. Okay? Okay, now let's see. Enjoy this video. So children, always keep smiling, be happy and stay safe also. Have a nice day. Thank you.